and welcome to today's Moneyball draw. It's good to have you with us. I hope you've gone ahead and collected your fair share of lottery tickets in the past few weeks. Because as you already know, there's a lot of money at stake today. With the right amount of luck and with all four numbers, you could win today's Moneyball double jackpot. 30,566 euros and 73 cents exactly, which means the next luxury holiday or a brand new car could be yours. I know you can hardly wait, but before we get started, like always, I have some useful tips for you. First things first, log in with your betting account number and password. Click on Manage Account at the top and then choose Moneyball Tickets in the navigation. Do you see the 4 boxes on the right? Here you can enter each lucky number drawn. To activate the filter, click on Filter Now. Our filter will then mark all of your Moneyball lottery tickets that still have a chance of winning. This way you'll never lose track, even if you're playing with more than one lottery ticket. Want to see all of your tickets again? Just click on Reset Filter under the boxes. Our lottery balls have been independently verified, so now we'll start the draw and I'll keep my fingers crossed for you. The double jackpot round will start off with 98. The first winning number is 98. And lucky number 2 is 17. The second winning number is 17. And we continue with 92. The third lucky number is 92. And here comes the fourth and the final winning number. And it is 43. The final winning number is 43. So here once again are all the lucky numbers from today, Monday the 7th of October. 98, 17, 92 and 43. Do you have all 4 on your ticket? Then congratulations! The Moneyball double jackpot is yours. You'll find out the number of winners and how much they've won in a few minutes here on this page. So check back here once again or keep clicking the refresh button. The next Moneyball draw will take place on November the 4th. And of course you can start collecting lottery tickets already. As a reminder, for each €10 bet placed, bet@home.com will give you a lottery ticket with 4 lucky numbers. Go ahead and take this opportunity to increase your chance of winning. There are more than enough betting options, even today. In just a few minutes, all eyes will turn to the second German Bundesliga as the matchup between Cologne and Union Berlin kicks off. Also on today's schedule, Serie A showdown between Bologna and Chievo Verona, plus Sportsmania from the US with NFL, NBA and NHL leading the pack. And tomorrow we'll give way for more Champions League action. Last but not least, one final tip for our online poker fans. In just a few minutes, bet@home.com will start the ever-popular iPad Monday tournament. And it pays to play because in the prize pool awaits €1,000 and a brand new iPad mini. There's even more money to win in the casino. In fact, there are almost 6 million waiting in the jackpots. On behalf of the entire team, I'd like to wish you a pleasant evening, goodbye for now, and see you again on November the 4th.